Welcome to our quick guide on maximizing user engagement with the chat window deployment option. Let's explore what this deployment option is best for. Whether you're a website owner, digital marketer, customer service manager, web developer, or e-commerce business, this feature is designed to streamline your interactions with customers. Experience innovative engagement with seamless deployment that won't disrupt your existing setup. Let's explore how to use it. Sign in to your custom GPT app. First, go to your project settings. Navigate to Sharing, and then click on Enable Sharing link. To get started, simply click on the chat window and copy the code. Customize the button text to fit your website's style and tone. Now let's see how it looks like. Let's ask Custom GPT some questions and see how it responds. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit customgpt.ai.